Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by preparing both accounts so the connection is smooth. First, sign into Outlook Web and verify your email address and that IMAP/POP is allowed. Once done, open Gmail settings and enable IMAP under forwarding and POP/IMAP so Gmail can fetch messages. Make sure two-factor authentication is handled. If Outlook uses 2FA, create an app password in your Microsoft account. That avoids login blocks. These steps prevent authentication errors later and let Gmail access mail reliably. You'll now add Outlook into Gmail's import tool. In Gmail, navigate to Settings, Accounts, and Import and click Check Mail from other accounts. Choose Add a Mail account. Enter your Outlook address and select Import via POP3 so Gmail pulls messages. Provide the Outlook POP server, port, and the app password you generated. Make sure SSL is checked for security. Choose whether to label messages or archive on arrival. Test the connection to confirm Gmail can fetch mail and download a sample message. Finish by enabling Send Mail as so you can reply from Gmail using your Outlook address. In Accounts and Import, choose Add another email address, enter the name and address, then configure SMTP with SMTP. Office 365. COM, port 587 and TLS. Use your app password. Allow some time for the initial sync and ensure labels and folder mapping look right. If messages fail, recheck credentials, ports, SSL/TLS settings, and temporarily disable other mail clients that may lock the account. This resolves most common connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.